You are going to love the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, illuminated door sills, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.